Meaning of ineffectual.
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 Ineffectual. The word ineffectual refers to something that is unable to produce its intended effect or lacking in the ability to achieve a desired outcome. When something is deemed ineffectual, it means that it failed to deliver the expected results, leaving the user disappointed. For example, in politics, a leader's ineffective policies can lead to public dissatisfaction and lack of confidence. Similarly, an ineffectual medicine may not cure the illness it was designed to treat. In short, being ineffectual means being unsuccessful in achieving a desired goal or objective.